this is Sophie from RSM Machinery. Today I will introduce you a tool. You can guess what is it?
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. This is the SPR battery tool. And now let me introduce you this tool function. This is the SPR battery tool. You can see it's very light. It's only 5 kilograms. I can hold it by one hand. And the weight is only 5 kilograms, but the pressure can be 30 to 60 kilonewton. And the tool charge time is only 1 hour, and it can rivet 130 to 350 times, and the riveting time is only 2 to 3 seconds per time. And this tool we call it SPR battery, but it also have other functions like insertion, self-clinching, and removed SPR rivets. Also FFR, solid riveting, leveling, punching. The small tool have so many functions. Do you want to buy it? Now let me introduce each part of this tool. This handle is ergonomic design which can balance your hand and the handle. And this here is used to adjust the pressure from 30 to 60 kilonewton. And here you can see it's an alarm. When it's wrong operation or overheating or over pressure, it will be alarm. This button is used to manual pressure relief value. It if the wrong operation, when you press this button, the pressure will be released. And this C arm of this tool can also be changed. We can do the arm according to your application. You can see different throat types. And also this arm can also be rotated. Okay. This is the standard configuration of this tool. One charger and the electric cable, and 2 battery. The battery is 4.0 Ah and 18 voltage. And we will also give you one set tool for free. The SPR rivet tool suitable for aluminum car body repair, car body dismantling, bar screw repair, customer on-site assembly, and other small batch repair. Assembly also suitable for aluminum and aluminum, steel and steel, aluminum and steel riveting assembly, and demolition repair. If you want to know more about this tool and if you have any question, please contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.